Welcome. If you've noticed Facebook on your PC sometimes asks to access your microphone, or you're simply looking to tighten your privacy after a recent update, I've got you covered with a quick practical guide. This is all about keeping your mic under your control without losing the features you rely on. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. It's the gateway where everything starts, so make sure you're logged in with the account you want to protect. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page for the three dots. They're usually aligned with your profile picture and settings icons, giving you quick access to more options. Click on those three dots, and from the drop-down that appears, select App Info. This section gathers details about how the app interacts with your device. Inside App Info, you'll find Settings. Open Settings to dive into permissions and how your data is being used. Now, you'll see a list under Permissions. This is where Facebook asks for various accesses. Look for More Settings Permissions, which groups the kinds of access the app may request. Click into that to reveal the granular controls that govern what Facebook can and cannot do on your PC. Next to Microphone, you'll find the option to block. Choose Block to stop Facebook from using your PC's microphone. That simple toggle is what keeps your conversations and voice input private without having to remove the app or uninstall anything. If you ever want to reconsider, you can return here and switch it back to allow. A quick tip: after blocking the microphone, it's worth double checking other permissions in the same area. You might want to review camera access, location, or notifications to tailor Facebook's footprint on your device. Regular privacy checks like this can prevent unexpected prompts and keep your setup quiet and secure. If you're troubleshooting a specific issue, like a microphone icon still indicating activity, restart the app or your computer and recheck the permissions. Sometimes the system needs a moment to apply the changes after you toggle a setting. By following these steps, you preserve your privacy while continuing to enjoy Facebook on your PC. It's a lightweight change, but it makes a meaningful difference in how your device behaves and what information it shares.